Hello everyone, this is Val from Woxo once again, with my friends from last time, but I love them, so they're here with me. I even call this one Bob. So, how are you lovely people doing today in the Woxo community? As you know, this is a space where we share ideas, we share content ideas on how we can boost our videos and take everything to the next level. Yes, you know it. Thank you, Hue Truong. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Sorry if I'm not. From the Arctic Fox Studio, who suggested this idea. So basically today we're gonna use one of our new integrations with Pabbly, and we're gonna connect Google Sheets, Woxo video, a contest idea, and Facebook pages. Almost forgot that one. And turn them into amazing cycles that you can automate. So here we go. Oh, let's get going. As always, we're gonna start on Pabbly, and we're gonna just click on the Access Now under the Connect functions so we can start the workflow. As you know, a new tab is gonna open. I have like many accounts opened on Google. So for this type of connection where we use Google Sheets, I recommend using incognito mode. If you want to connect them, it's all under here, but just a heads up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a new workflow. In my case, it's called the giveaway video. What I'm gonna do here is, let's say Hue, let's say I'm pronouncing this right. Sorry, English is not my first languages, as you may have already guessed. So he has all these names on all these users. He organized some sort of giveaway, as he told us on Facebook group, where he suggested, he super kindly suggested the idea, and he select a winner. This is like a randomized, so I just freeze a winner for this example. So basically we have this Asim Conrad person. They're all fictional names. So let's say he's a cool person who has a very lucky winner, and we want to create a video to congratulate him. So we go first, we're gonna connect to Google Sheets, so our app is gonna be Google Sheets, and the trigger event, don't worry, there's no option, so new spreadsheet row. Here you'll have to connect. You'll see these are simple, really simple steps. You'll have to connect the spreadsheet. You just need to click on Ads On, and then you just follow the Pabbly instructions, super simple, and here is the guide. I just follow the guide. From here, we're gonna get a webhook response, so we're gonna get all these values. In this case, I had the random, so it kept changing. So as for this example, I just froze them. Let me put myself in here. There we go. I just selected a winner. Second step, as you know, here it comes, Woxo. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate a native video. I just gonna to create one for this video since we have one winner. For the title, I like this whole structure of the video. I decided to put congratulations and the name of the winner. This, as you can see, I took it from the previous step. So you see here, I have all this data, and I just picked the winner, since it's gonna use here. The text, as you know, is enjoy. And the media, I just use the cool trick we had, that if you enter a keyword, and well, if it's just a keyword, it's an image, but if you add this, it turns into a video that it's gonna be taken from Pexel. That's our integrated library. One cool trick that I haven't mentioned in the previous video is that you may have not connected Woxo. So for the first time, you need to connect this, and what it's gonna ask you is for an API key and a team, I think it's a team number, something like that. This, you can take it from here. You go just to my account. As you can see, it is all my information. you just scroll down and you get like this information. So you just like copy it here, you take it and you paste it in here. But just so you know. So I basically created a 2-scene video. This is have a great day and lab from Woxo. Let's put lab from Hue, and there we go. So we're just gonna save it. I just customized the shape, and the rest it was like, okay, let Woxo do the rest. I'm not gonna be doing it one by one. Let's save and send this test request. Remember to always test these things. And now that we have this, I'm just gonna save it. And as you can see, we have a success code in here and all like different information we can use later on. Remember to now click on a delay. We're gonna delay it for 2 minutes to give the editor just some time to do his thing. Basically 2 minutes is enough for the video to get all sorted out. And then we're gonna go back to Woxo to get that amazing video we just created. When we get this video, we're gonna get a success code. This is from a previous, before I changed it. First it was like Lab Woxo, now I added like Lab Hue. So we're just gonna get the video code. It's from the previous step. You know, we can use information from previous steps. So this is a really cool feature just to create this workflow. And from here, I'm gonna use the success code. Let's check in here, just like save and send test request. And it's all good. Let's just click on save. And then we're gonna connect our Facebook page. In this case, I just connected to my test page. As you see, I already have an example, but let's do it in real time. So here we go, it's all connected. You may need to connect it some first time, but what I'm gonna do is just create page video. My page is this one, it's like super generic Woxo test. And what I'm gonna do is just from the get video, I'm gonna use the URL. So this is gonna take the video and post it into the page. And my message is just like congratulations, and I took the name from the winner. From this was like the first step. So let's test it. Fingers crossed. And ta-da! So we have it in here. Let's see. There we go. And this is our video. So it gets automatically published on our Facebook page announcing the winners. Thank you everyone for joining today on today's video, today's episode, you know it. If you have any other ideas you want us to explain to you, create in here, please let us know down in the comments. If you're not following us, please do. If you want to see more of me and Bob. And how should we name like this little bee here? I promise to keep them on my next episode. Have a lovely day everyone. Bye bye. Esta es la señal de que cortes, ¿sí? Y ahora te voy a decir cuándo volver. Cuando tengo de nuevo así es que vuelves. Es el nuevo... Ah, Emma también. Ahora no sé cuál está trabajando. Bueno, va.